Hey fam, welcome back. In today's video, I thought it would be fun if we unboxed my Allure Beauty Box for May 2020. So if you were interested in finding out what Allure sent this month in their little box of goodies, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. So inside the box, we have our little magazine that goes over all the different products we get this month with the pricing, as well as probably my favorite feature of this magazine, which is a synopsis on the product from the editor or beauty professional who chose it for us. It's just a great little magazine and very helpful. Let's see what's inside. So the first product I see is by Allure, I'm assuming. It says, "Welcome to Skin Wellness. Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser." It says amethyst, glycolic, lactic, and true unicorn root. Resurface, refine, and hydrate all skin types. It's 100% vegan and 0% pretentious. So this is just like a little, I'm guessing like a little sample size of a facial cleanser. So I'm always so happy to receive these in subscription boxes because I go through cleanser so fast. And so I'm really happy to be able to try this product. It's like, I think you could get probably like maybe 2 or 3 uses out of this, so that'll come in handy and it'll give me a chance to try this product and see if it's something that I think is worth investing in. The next product I see in my box is actually a full-size product. This is by Skin Inc. Supplement Lab. It is a My Daily Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten. So this is actually a serum. It comes in a really pretty little glass bottle with a dropper, and inside are a bunch of little micro beads, as you can see. And it says, "Nothing beats my daily dose of glow for skin that radiates youth and health, brighter than the stars." Specially formulated with a cocktail of purely encapsulated vitamin A, chlorella, and hyaluronic acid, this savior serum empowers you to get glowing in just a few doses. It's got vitamin A, which it says is an anti-aging wonder. Chlorella extract, it says, is for clear, brighter and firmer skin, and then hydration comes from the hyaluronic acid. So this sounds like a fantastic little serum that I am stoked to try. Y'all know I suffer from dry skin, and something that's going to help me moisturize is fantastic. Anti-aging is very much a concern, something I definitely try to be a little bit proactive about. So I'm stoked to get this, especially it's like a $15 box and I have a full-size serum. I'm like stoked. The next product is the VDL Lumilayer Primer. So this is a makeup primer that's supposed to help luminize your skin. I believe this is Korean. I'm curious to try it. Korean skincare is like essentially such an influence on American skincare, probably global beauty in general. There's so much innovation in South Korea in their beauty sector. And I'm excited to try this little luminizing primer. This next product is the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. So you can use this all over. This is also a Korean beauty product. I think I'm going to actually set this one aside for my friend Denise because she has been looking for an eye cream. And I didn't see any in pop-up. I did get her some moisturizers from pop-up, but I didn't see any eye cream. So I'm going to actually give this one to her. I'm super excited. She's actually been in the market for an eye cream. The next product in my box is a brand that we've seen before. This is Cureology, and they have included this time a smooth sailing moisturizer. I believe we received a cleanser in the past. This is essentially a product that is formulated by dermatologists. It's like a subscription, I think, where you can go on their site and answer questions, and they can formulate cleansers, skincare, moisturizers, all kinds of stuff based on your actual concerns and your skin type. So it's a pretty cool little product and a service. I have not tried their service yet, but it is something really neat. I don't know if you guys have seen those. I forget what the brand is, but there's those custom shampoos and conditioners. Nakia Joy has done a sponsored content for them. It's pretty cool that there are some businesses that focus on customizing products directly around their consumer. I think that's really neat, and I like that there's a science behind this and dermatologists, working on these formulations. I think it's pretty exciting. So could be something to look into at some point. And the last item in my box is this face mask from the brand Wen. It says Wen Glamour Base. And this is a bio-stylish sheet mask. It says when you need a fabulous base for flawless skin, prepare with Wen Glamour Base. Wen Premium Bio-Cellulose Sheet Mask for Face contains effective ingredients to help your skin look smooth and firm. So it's always nice to get a sheet mask, and it gives us a chance to kind of try. I have a ton of sheet masks, but it's always fun to try new ones. So that was everything that we got in our box this month from Allure Beauty Box. I would love to hear your thoughts. It was definitely a little bit skincare heavy this month, but I don't mind that. I do have a lot of makeup. It's always a little bit more exciting when there's some more makeup products, but it was really cool to get so many Korean skincare products. That was really cool. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on all the items we received, and if Allure Beauty Box is something that you get or that you're considering picking up, or if it's just something that you don't think is for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and until the next video, bye.